Do you know the balloon does not rise indefinitely in the air? Now, generally, what is our concept? When we leave a balloon, when we just, allow the balloon to fly in the air, we feel that the balloon will, fly indefinitely. It will rise up in the air. That is what we generally believe, but it does not happen so. As you know, when anything is dipped in water, when anything goes inside the water, the body, the object, as I have explained you in my previous shots, the body exerts a downward force in the water, and the water gives an upward force to the body. If the upward force is high, then the body floats, and if the downward force is high, then the body sinks. This is what I explained to you regarding water. Now, the same concept is applied in air. When you leave a balloon, when the balloon starts rising, basically the density of air is more at the bottom, towards the surface of the earth. So the balloon becomes lighter and it rises up. But as we know that as the height increases, the density of air becomes less. It becomes lighter, the density decreases. So when the density decreases, the upward force of the air that was pushing the balloon high, that basically changes. And there comes a point when the upward and the downward force, both of them are same. That is a point where the balloon stops rising. And then when the balloon becomes heavier than the air, it starts sinking. So the balloon does not rise indefinitely in the air.